This year, the IISF is scheduled to be held in Lake City, Bhopal of Madhya Pradesh. One of the prominent events in IISF is National Social Organizations and Institutions Meet to be held from 21st to 23rd January 2023 at the Auditorium of Civil Engineering Department, Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal. The focal theme for this year's NSOIM is livelihood-centric technology transfer for reducing multidimensional poverty and building Atmanirbhar Bharat. National Social Organizations and Institutions Meet helps in bringing together all the stakeholders of societal development by organizing presentations, interactions and demos on various innovative technologies. These activities help in solving societal issues with a positive impact on the quality of life and livelihood of citizens. The objectives of this year are defined as the three-day event consists of technical sessions of experts, poster exhibitions, presentations by grassroots models, conference declaration and recognition of outstanding contributions in societal development. Contributors shall be selected from nominations submitted as per the practice followed during previous year's NSOIM. The participants are selected through online registration, nomination from grassroots level social or developmental organizations, scientific, research and academic institutions, social enterprises, individuals engaged in grassroots development. We invite you to attend the significant deliberations on topics of social importance. For participation and registration, you can visit www.scienceindiafest.org. You can send your presentation and nomination for grassroots model at nsoim@scienceindiafest.org. To know more, please visit the IISF website.